What's up, girls? Welcome back to my page, and I'm going to show you how to do this simple kind of like skin foundation kind of quick tutorial to show you how to get your skin looking flawless. I hope you enjoy. So to start, we're going to use this Morphe eyebrow pencil and the color Almond, you know, because it's reddish hair.
I was hanging with the fellas, saw you with your new boyfriend and made me jealous. I was hoping that I'd never see you.
So what I'm doing is I'm outlining the shape that I kind of want. I'm going to fill it in.
But it's all good because I'm
when I'm done, I'm going to go in the pomade.
Because now I know the competition's very slim. Turn on.
I'm going to start with Almond from Morphe and take my R45 brush and start filling out the tail and blend it to the front.
And I can tell by looking that he's not the one. He's not the type you said you like to stop.
So now I'm going to take Auburn by Anastasia with the same brush, cleaned off of course, and kind of make the little hair strokes in the front, and then we're going to clean it.
My clothes are bad, come on girl, let him go, I want you back. Only a hater if I want to, but I only hate.
So I use these two brushes from Craftsmart. I got them at, what is it, Michael's. They come in a pack to kind of like clean up the brows. I'm going to start with the angled one and my MAC NW20 concealer to clean up.
Cause I want you, say I'm tripping if you feel like, but you without me ain't right. You can say I'm crazy if I want to, that's true.
So now I'm going to take that other brush, which is kind of like a rounded tip brush, and take the same concealer and clean underneath the arch.
Crazy about you, you can say I'm breaking down.
To finish up brows, I use 3D brow strokes in shade 4 from Benefit and Ready Set Brow, which is like a clear setting, and I use the clear one first.
Inside, I can see you with the
Kind of mainly set the tail so you don't have any like loose hair. Brow mainly in the front.
other guy.
Perfect. We're gonna start on skin. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Put it all over my face. So what I like to do is I like to take the back of a pair of tweezers and kind of like dip it into there. Put it all over my hand. Put it all over my face.
Love and attention at this will, and you can imagine how it makes me feel. See you.
There, I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star Corrector in green and the Pro Concealer in kind of this like orangey color to cover up like any little scars I have before I put foundation on. So I'm gonna use the red like right underneath my eye and right around this area.
With him, oh, it makes me ill. See you give love and attention.
And now the green and any like little spots I have. So here, here.
At this will, and you can imagine how it makes me feel. See you.
Now with my Beauty Bakery little sponge, I'm gonna blend it all out.
Girl, I know that we broke up, but that doesn't mean.
I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place foundation in Martinique and Cairo. I'm gonna mix them for that perfect shade. I'm gonna take the round side to do the back one.
To give the cold shoulder, cause you know that I truly do adore you, and that other guy can't do nothing for you. See.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go, after the foundation is done, I'm gonna take C9 from the Jeffree Star concealer.
I can tell that you don't really love that guy, so there's no need for you to go and waste your time. I think you know I love you more.
And on top of that, I'm gonna take the Juvia concealer in 21, which is really light, as you can see, to give it a little bit of brightness.
Girl, you gotta let him go. I want you, so just give him the bully. Hater if you want to, but I only hate
The brightness parts of the concealer up. I'm gonna take C19 and Jeffree.
on him 'cause I want you. You can say I'm
and 14 from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna take my Airspun loose powder, and this is in translucent extra coverage.
Crazy if you want to, that's true. I'm crazy about you. You can say I'll break it down inside.
Part of the beauty blender, I take like a little triangle square brush and go into the parts that need a little bit of extra
I can see you with another guy.
I let that sit for a couple of seconds, and then I'm gonna take my BH brush. I'm gonna use my Anastasia powder light to medium, and I'm gonna get these two colors right here and mix them. I'm also gonna take from Anastasia, which is this blush trio and pool party. Highlighter, I'm gonna use this Kevin Coin, which is the Neo highlighter and Sahara. Look at this beauty. Okay, it is beautiful. Jeffree Star Morphe. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, it's like the perfect highlight. Not too strong, not too light. I'm gonna put some lashes. So I'm gonna start with Roller Lash from Benefit and the Volumizing Mascara from ColourPop. Top of Roller Lash, I'm gonna take the ColourPop mascara. So for lashes, I'm gonna use from Lash Pop and Pink Fire. They're like really fluffy lashes, as you can see. Take this lip gloss from the MAC Aaliyah collection. This is Brooklyn Born. I'm gonna top it from Fussy from Fenty Beauty. And this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was simple enough to get you through your day. You know, you don't always have to do what everybody else does to make your skin look nice. But this is what I do to make sure mine does.